4 fingers, has a diamond the size of a fist.
86 carats.
Do you know something that I don't?
Jeez, it's flawless.
Where?
London.
London.
You know, fish, chips, cup of tea, Mary Poppins, London.
What do I know about diamonds? I'm a boxing promoter.
I've got a bare knuckle fight. I want to use the pikey.
Beste Baxter, transfer.
You're going to have to repeat that.
Beste Baxter, transfer.
What? What's a gun doing in your trousers? For protection. Protection from what? The Germans. Open the case and give me the stone.
The only man who knew the combination. You just shot.
I'm getting heartburn. Tony, do something terrible.
Where is the stone?
Heavy. Shut up and sit down, you big bald.
So what should I play? You can call me Susan if it makes you happy.
I don't care if it's Muhammad, Imad, Bruce Lee.
You're going down in the 4th round. Whoops.
Anything to declare?
Yeah, don't go to England.
Stylish frame furniture and scarf cushions with matching chocolate covers.
Did you understand a single word of what he just said?